going on? Welcome to Shootin' a Shave. Tonight I'm going to be going with PAA Astra Planeta. This is a soap that I picked up at the East Coast Wet Shavers annual meetup. It was in my goodie bag. Razor I'm going to go with tonight is my WH Morley and Sons. And brush I'm going to go with tonight is my Yaqi High Mountain here. Got the soap in the bowl here. I'm going to go ahead and get it whipped up and I'll see you guys in a few seconds. So I got the soap all whipped up here. Look at that, a ton of lather in there, a lot of lather in the brush here. Whipped up pretty easily, very easy to dial in, didn't require a whole lot of water. The scent is very, very nice. This is supposed to be a tobacco scent. It's a little different from the other tobacco scents that I've smelled. This one's a little more spicy with heart notes of florals and some bottom woody notes. The scent profile, I have it written down here, is black pepper, petite grain, grapefruit, neroli, lavender, plumeria, geranium, oak moss, Australian sandalwood, Haitian vetiver, frankincense. You got myrrh in there, and tobacco absolute, and I think there might be a few others that I'm missing. Just gonna add a little bit of water in this and I think we're good to go here. That looks good to me. All right, here we go for the first pass here. Very, very, very slick soap. Very slick soap. Awesome first pass. Wow. Really, really, really slick soap. And a very, very nice scent. All right, here we go for the second pass here. I might have actually used a little too much soap. This stuff is dialed in with no problem. I didn't need as much soap as I pressed into the bowl. Wow, I'm impressed. I don't really have a whole lot of experience with this new formula. This is a CK6 formula, by the way. That's enough. All right, here we go for the second pass here. So how's everybody doing? Hope everybody is well. Hope you were all having good shaves and having a good week so far. This week for me has been going by pretty slow. Yep, pretty slow. It was a stormy day today too, with flood warnings and all that. I live in an area where there's a couple of creeks and there's a river not too far away, and it tends to flood out with every rainstorm we get. Man, this is a really, really nice soap. Yeah, I'm gonna let the mustache grow out. I'm not gonna let it get too long. I'm gonna keep it kind of short for the summer. I'm thinking about letting it grow back out for the fall. Just a couple of areas to pick up here. Just the spots on the neck here. Alright, let's clean this up. Not a whole lot to clean up. This razor made short work of the growth. Didn't really have a whole lot, only had about 2 days. And that'll do it. Oh man, very, very nice shave tonight. And I'm going to finish off tonight with some aftershave balm. I'm going to go with the Moose Tobacco Row. If you ever visit Nashville, check out that barbershop. They sell a lot of really cool shaving products, and this is some of the best shave balm I've ever used. I did about 3 pumps too. Oh, this is an awesome scent. All right. Well, that, ladies and gentlemen, is going to conclude the shave. Hope you guys all have a great week. Thank you for watching. Take care. See you again soon for another video.